Here's how to get or enable voice chat on Roblox. So first of all, you need to launch a web browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. Or you can also do this on your Roblox application. Now tap on the get icon in the top right corner of your screen, and from the drop-down menu, select settings. Now in the settings, you need to go to the account info tab. And here, make sure that your account is 13 years of age or older. And add and verify your phone number if you haven't already. Now go to the privacy and content restrictions. Then auto select communication, that is between screen time and visibility and private servers. Here you need to go ahead and select voice data usage, which is between the party and camera input. Go ahead and toggle this option on, and Roblox will use your voice data. If it's still not working, you need to go back to account info and verify your age with a selfie or ID, and unmute yourself in the top left corner when you're inside the game. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.